Hi everyone! Squash vine borers have taken many of our zucchini and squash plants in spring and early summer. And as soon as summer sets in, the squash bugs destroy the remaining zucchini plants. After wasting a lot of time and effort to grow zucchini in past couple of years, we decided to try an alternative crop. This zucchini substitute tastes very similar to zucchini. It is started from seed at the same time as zucchini and is planted outside at the same time as zucchini. The only difference is that this grows on a vine. The plants of this variety are not bothered by squash vine borers or squash bugs, so we didn't have to babysit these plants at all. If you have guessed what this plant is, put your guess in comments. The best part is that just like zucchini, this substitute is a prolific producer and it comes in various shapes and sizes. The vines are absolutely beautiful and the leaves and young shoots are also edible. They simply taste delicious. We use it as a substitute in any recipe that calls for zucchini. This can also be preserved the same way as zucchini is preserved. The inside looks similar to zucchini as well. The flavor is buttery and very pleasant. Okay, that's enough teasing. Let us give you the name. This zucchini substitute is called cucuzzi or cucuzza. It is very common in Europe and Asia. It is also called as bottle gourd. We are definitely enjoying great yield with very less efforts with this substitute. So why stop at zucchini? Check out this perennial substitute for cilantro which loves growing even in the heat of summer.